Doing hula hoop hip circles on top of a weighted bench while holding 2 dumbbells is a dynamic and stability-demanding move. It engages a wide range of core, stabilizer, and upper body muscles. Here's a breakdown. Primary muscles worked. Core and hip muscles. Rectus abdominis, for bracing and control of torso movement. Obliques, internal and external, for rotating the torso during the circular motion. Transverse abdominis, deep core stabilizer, essential for balance on the bench. Hip flexors, assist in moving the pelvis during hula hoop motion. Gluteus medius and minimus, stabilize the pelvis and hips. Gluteus maximus, helps in hip movement and maintaining upright posture. And upper body, from dumbbells held in hands. Deltoids, shoulders, for holding dumbbells steady at your sides or extended. Biceps and triceps, stabilize the arms while holding dumbbells. Forearm muscles, grip strength for holding dumbbells securely. Upper trapezius, provides support for arm and shoulder stabilization. Stabilizer muscles, erector spinae, lower back, keeps spine erect and supports the posture. Quadratus lumborum, supports side bending and rotation of the torso. Adductors abductors, stabilize the legs and hips, especially during balancing. Calves and tibialis anterior, help with minor balance shifts on the bench. Summary: this exercise is an advanced stability and coordination challenge, combining core engagement, balance, hip mobility, and isometric arm strength from holding dumbbells. It's especially effective for improving core control, postural strength, balance, and proprioception. Let me know if you'd like a step-by-step guide or a modified version with or without dumbbells. Please check my next video.